Crisp and fresh cucumber flash fried into sweet and sour, spicy chili sauce. It's stir-fried cucumber. Welcome back to Wok Wednesday. I'm Jeremy from School of Wok, London's Asian cookery school. I'm going to stir-fry some cucumber. It's so quick, it's so easy, and you probably never even thought you could cook a cucumber. But you absolutely can, and it's delicious. It almost makes it feel even more juicy. As always, I'm going to start with a base of ginger, garlic, and spring onion. My ginger, I'm just going to chop into matchsticks. Garlic, just fine slices. And everything for this is going to be flash fried, just to try and keep the dish as fresh and light as possible. Spring onion, just roughly chopped. And I've got these dry whole red chillies, just been soaked in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. And that sort of makes up my base flavour, my base ingredients. The cucumber. I quite like cutting this in lengthways and quarter first, and then just rough sort of wedges of cucumber. And what you find when you stir fry cucumber, because there's so much water in it, is that if it's flash fried, it's almost weirdly you're sealing the moisture or the water more into the cucumber itself, and it kind of gives you this burst of sort of flavour and juiciness. So I've got my Wok Clock of ingredients here, my base ingredients first, some chilli along with the cucumber. To go with the chilli, I'm going to add a few chilli flakes just to add it a bit more spice. And then some Sichuan peppercorns. I'm going to crush those up first. I'll add that to my pile of chilies. And the rest is easy. I've got some Xinjiang black vinegar here, which is essentially a rice vinegar made from the black rice husk. Some sugar to balance out the sour, so you've got sweet and sour. Saltiness from light soy sauce. A little pinch of white pepper, which really works with the cucumber. And then a dash of dark soy for colour. Some sesame oil. I'm going to use a bit of this chili soaking water as well, because I like this dish to be really spicy. From here on in, it's all wok work. And the oil needs to be smoking hot before we start. But as soon as we start going around the Wok Clock of ingredients, that's 12 o'clock with my ginger and garlic, we're going to pretty much go straight from one ingredient to the next, leaving sort of 5 to 10 seconds in between, but not too much longer. This is flash fried. My wok is smoking hot now, and I'm actually going to go straight in with my ginger, garlic, and spring onion just sort of seconds after. Give it a quick flick through, and then immediately your chili heap with the Sichuan peppercorns. Give that a quick flick through. And then immediately after that, all your cucumber goes in. Give that a flick through. Literally flash fried. And you can see all that base flavour being freshly flash fried into the cucumber on that constant high heat. I'm going to build up smoke for about 10 seconds now. Once it's smoky all the way around, then my sweet, sour, spicy sauce is going to go into the wok. Smoking hot. Sauce in. Let that bubble up for about 15 to 20 seconds before you flick it through, because I don't want to lose heat on that. I want to keep it flash frying. Once you've had that initial bubble, couple of flicks through, and then serve up. That is literally the quickest stir fry you will ever make. It really has to be as quick as that to hold the juiciness of the cucumber in, changes the texture of your fresh cucumber straight away, and soaks in all the flavour of that sauce really quickly. If you like this type of cooking, you want to learn more, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding, hit that notification bell. We'll see you soon.